Hello everyone, I'm Kate. Welcome to the 5-Day Freedom Challenge review. In this video, I'll cover what is this program about? Did I buy it? What is the pricing? Is it worth buying? Is there any other option? Stay with me until the end to get the full picture and discover a special gift I've prepared just for you. If you're a burnout parent feeling overwhelmed by work, searching for a way to earn more, want to reclaim your life, hit that subscribe button for more content that could help you make a change. Why should you care what I have to say? 3 years ago, I left my banking job because the exhausting hours, starting at 8 a.m. and ending at 1 a.m., completely deprived me of time to spend with my family. I barely had any time to be with them. Most days, I didn't even get a moment to sit on the couch. I was completely consumed by my job. I had to drop them off at their grandparents' before sunrise and wouldn't see them again until after sunset. I tried many things: Amazon FBA, Etsy, print on demand, YouTube automation, running a physical business, and affiliate marketing. Since then, I've learned a lot: what works and what doesn't, especially in this fast moving industry. I've made mistakes and spent thousands testing different strategies so that you don't have to. That's exactly why I created a way for you to skip the trial and error phase and jump straight into what I believe works best for parents like us. Disclaimer: I'm an affiliate for this and other program mentioned in the links below. If you choose to purchase through those links, I'll earn a commission at no extra cost to you. My aim is to remain transparent and honest, providing you with the information you need to make the best decision for yourself, for your goals. What is the 9-5 Freedom Hacker Challenge? The 9-5 Freedom Hacker Challenge is a revamped 5-day program evolved from Jonathan Montoya's original 72-hour challenge. It's structured to help you shift from an employee mindset to an entrepreneurial mindset and level up your approach to success. Who's Jonathan Montoya? Jonathan Montoya is an online entrepreneur and affiliate marketer known for helping people transition from traditional 9 to 5 jobs to online business opportunities. He's the founder of Freedom Accelerator and has built a following by teaching strategies for affiliate marketing and online business growth. Did I buy this course? I bought the original 3-day challenge, and since then it's been upgraded to this new version. No, I didn't purchase the update. Stick around until the end because I have some secrets to share. How it works: buy it, soak up all the knowledge. Jonathan broke it down into 5 days, but you can always power through it in a day or two. On day one, getting started and foundation building, you will be getting introduction to online marketing, discovering Jonathan's stories, setting up for success. On day two, setting up your affiliate system. He will walk you through his unfair software, building core components, automating your follow-up. On day three, launching your lead generation funnel. You will learn how to create funnel, email marketing essentials, system review and testing. On day four, driving traffic to your funnel. Traffic generation basis, building your brand on social media, paid traffic insights. On day five, launch and scale. Launch day for your affiliate business, analyzing early metrics, and then the next steps for growth. Now you may ask, how exactly do I make the money? How does it work? On the checkout page, there are upsells for other projects as well. In the course, Jonathan will share how to apply all your affiliate links. Once you apply them, you can start promoting. Over time, you'll earn both low ticket and high ticket commissions. You need to drive traffic to your affiliate link. I know a lady who made 2 sales just by signing up for the software itself. How much? You'll be surprised, you won't believe this. It is only $5. Now comes to the good. It is a beginner friendly program. It is easy to consume, won't take up too much of your time. The community is supportive, which helps keep you motivated. The bad, you need tons of traffic, I'm not gonna lie. You have to work hard. And also the files can be a little overwhelming. You need to find the files after files. Yeah, they probably improved that, but it's still overwhelming to me. Okay, and then some of the strategies may take time to see results. So patience is the key. Is it worth buying? If you don't want to pay $5 for this massive value, I really have no solution for you. It's less than lunch, your phone bill, even a t-shirt at your favorite clothing store nowadays. Haha, just grab it. So, this is it by Jonathan Beach. I agree. I feel it's worth a try, and Jonathan is right. It costs less than a cup of coffee. So that wraps up my review for today. What if it doesn't interest me? Is there a different option? This is exactly the reason why I didn't buy the 95 Freedom Hacker Challenge, because there's a faster and easier to make money online with a much better potential earnings. You don't have to compete with the creators. Your earnings do not stop at the initial stage. You don't have to wait too long to see result. And the benefits are you make more time for your family, potentially earn more than you would in a regular job, work from anywhere at any time you want. How do you start? You can start by watching my free course using the link below in this video, where I've shared a lot of golden nuggets. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more future content like this and updates. Don't forget to grab the free gift in my pinned comment below. Bye.